the Filestar demonstration video. In this video, we'll be covering zonal OCR, auto-filing and naming, appending with version control, and emailing links. We covered simple scanning in video 1. Advanced scanning using zonal OCR or optical character recognition takes automation to a higher level, ideal for situations where you want to scan a document and automatically recognize barcodes or text content within it. Having to rename and move a file you've scanned is common practice because you need to find the document again afterwards, and the main way to do that on a file server is to search on the name of the file or browse through an endless list of folders. This is often achieved by scanning to a folder or email, finding and moving the scans, and then manually inputting the names on the files, which can be a laborious task if there are hundreds or thousands of documents to scan. Filestar can make this process very simple. We'll now scan this 12-page file to a folder called Case Files, where Filestar will pick up on the document and recognize the matter name and number on the front page, as you can see here. Finding the scanned document couldn't be easier. If we search for the case file number, it will show us any documents that match, and if we click on the document, it will show us the 12-page file in the right viewing window. We don't need to worry about where the file is or how it's named. Filestar just finds the document and shows it to us. You can also see that the file has been named after the case file category and case file number. Also note, the document version is 1. More on this later. Quite often in a business, the requirement to add more pages to an existing document is needed, especially when storing case files or HR documents. In hard copy, this can mean searching for the file, which can be a problem at the outset. Where's the file? Filing cabinet, storage box, offsite storage. Let's just say you've found it. Then you can add it to the back of the file, requiring stapling or dividers, and then refile it, which all takes extra time. If it's an electronic file you want to add the new scanned document to, this can require a process of scanning, moving, renaming, and appending, even if you have the knowledge to do it. Alternatively, you can end up with multiple files all relating to the same subject, which makes it harder to look through in the future. Filestar can make this process simple. Let's scan a 3-page document that we want to add to the back of the original 12-page scan. As you can see, the document has the same cover sheet at the front, and Filestar has been set up to auto-append if it sees the same information on this page. If we search for the case file number, we can see the document is retrieved in a couple of seconds, and clicking on the file shows us that it's now a 15-page file, and the version number has been updated to 1.1. Right-clicking the file and choosing Properties gives access to the Version History tab, which shows the old version is still safe in the background. If we have the right user permissions, we can click Version 1 to view and see the initial 12-page document we scanned. In this final feature, imagine a scenario where you need to find a paper file and you've only been given the word contingency to do it. This will be almost impossible to find without further information. Even if the file is electronic and had been scanned to a server, you can only search on the names of documents through Windows, not the content within them, so it's a needle in a haystack. Let's now replicate this search in Filestar. Straight away, there's the document we're looking for, and if we click the file, you can see we're taken to the first page it appears on, which is page 11. I now want to share this with the person who requested it, but I only want them to see the specific page due to privacy. This couldn't be simpler. Just right-click on the file and Generate Email Link. Here we can choose the specific page we want to send, and once they click the link, it just downloads for them, meaning you don't have to share access to the Filestar system. However, the time and date they use the link is still tracked in the audit trail.